Okay, shake it. What do you got on your hand there, honey? Why don't you go whack something with that?
Yeah.
Why don't you whack Mom with that?
No. No, that wasn't fair. Now it's your turn to whack Daddy. Whack Daddy with it. Yeah.
Yeah.
What'd you drink?
You whacked Daddy.
You silly girl.
Whack Daddy, Mama.
Yeah. You want me to whack Daddy now?
Yeah.
All right, give me that. I'll whack Daddy.
No.
You don't want it? You're done whacking things?
Yeah.
All right. Can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Yeah. Bye.
Can you blow kisses?